and welcome to our math time. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by doing some counting. It's going to be a little bit different today. So here you see I have a board. I have a green dot and I have a red dot. So I'm going to write a number underneath each dot. So my green dot tells me where I'm starting and my red dot is going to tell me where I'm going to end. So if I wrote the number 1 under my green dot and under my red dot, I wrote the number 3. So we're going to start at 1 and count all the way to 3. When we get to 3, we're going to stop. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we stop. Good job. Now, what if I put the number, what number is this? 5. So we're going to start at 1 and stop at 5. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we stop. Because my red dot's telling me to stop at the number 5. All right, what if I change it and I did... Ooh, what number am I starting with now? The number 2. And what am I going to end with? The number 4. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. And we stop. Awesome job. So that is another way that we can do some practice with our counting. So thank you for helping me out with that. So now what we're going to do is we are going to change our brains a little bit. And we are going to do some sorting. Remember, sorting is when we put things into groups together. We're going to put stuff into groups together. So we said that things can look the same if they are the same color. We can put things together in the same group if they are the same size. We can put things in a group together if they look the same, so they're the same item. So, for example, if I wanted to put markers together, or if I had these 3 things, so I have a pink marker, a red marker, and a pen, what would I put in the same group together? I would probably put my 2 markers together and then my pen in a different group. So this group is my group of markers, and then this is my group of pens. So I'm always making sure that there's something that is the same so I can put it in the same group. So what we're going to do today is we're going to sort things into 3 groups. It's going to be a group of sunny weather, snowy weather, and rainy weather. So I'm going to show us an object of what we might wear in different weathers. So my first object is this. It is a hat. It's like a winter hat. When would I wear my winter hat? Would I do it while it's super sunny and hot outside? Probably not. Would I do it when it's snowing outside and cold? Yeah. So I'm going to put it in this group. Now if I look at my next one, I have a raincoat. When I put my raincoat on, am I going to do it in sunny weather, snowy weather, or rainy weather? My raincoat's I'm probably going to wear it when it's raining, so it's going to go into this group. All right, what about sunglasses? When would I put sunglasses on? When it's sunny? Probably. So I'm going to put it in my sunny category. So this is my sunny group, my snowy group, and my rainy group. Now we're going to go by a little bit faster. Let's see. What if I wore a scarf? When would I put a scarf? Say it when you know it. With the snowy weather. What about a bathing suit? When would I wear a bathing suit? When it's hot and sunny out. You guys got it. When would I use an umbrella? When would I use an umbrella? When it's raining out. So you guys are saying these with me. When I ask the question, I want you to answer them. When would I see a seashell? When would I see a seashell? In sunny weather, I might see it while I'm at the beach. Where might I see a sand castle? Where might I see a sand castle? Ooh, sunny weather too. When might I go ice skating? When would I go ice skating? Ooh, when it's snowing out, because I have to have ice for it to be, for the snow. Ooh, when might I see a rainbow? This is a tricky one. When would I see a rainbow? We normally see rainbows when it rains outside. So when it's raining, I'm going to put it in that one. All right, I'm going to have two more. When would I jump in a puddle? When would I jump in a puddle? Probably not when it's sunny. I'll probably jump in a puddle when it rains outside. And then my last one is when would I wear rain boots? When it is raining. So now what I want us to look at is how many do I have in each group? So in my sunny group, I want you counting in your head, how many do I have in my sunny group? So you're counting these. How many did we put in the sunny group? 1, 2, 3, 4. We put 4 in the sunny group. What about my snowy group? How many do I have in my snowy group? Count it out and then say it when you have it. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 in my snowy group. And my last one, in my rainy group, how many do I have? How many do I have in that group? Say it when you know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 in my rainy group. Well, thank you guys for helping me with sorting out all of those clothes and all of those things. So now I know where they go. Now the thing that you're going to do for homework today, your assignment today, is we are doing some things that do not belong. So first we're going to write our names. So first things first, write your name in your best handwriting. Do your first and your last name. And then we're going to write the date. So it is September, so the 9-11-2020. All right, my directions, it says cross out what doesn't belong. How many are left? So I'm looking in here, what would I put together in a group? So I have a helmet, a baseball bat, a basketball, and a baseball. What does not go in that group? What would not go in that group? A basketball. So I'm going to cross it out. Because in baseball, I wear a helmet to protect my head. I use the bat to hit the ball, and then that's the ball that I'm hitting. But I don't use a basketball. So I'm going to cross that one out. Now it asks me, how many are left? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So over here, I'm going to write the number 3. Now it's your job to figure out the last 2. You might, as a hint, you might be crossing out more than 1. You might cross out more than 1. So do your best and find what goes together in a group. I can't wait to see what you guys think about and see your work. Have a good day, guys.